Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do white outline on Canva. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to sign up and create your account in Canva and then log in if you have an account already. Now, this is what it looks like. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to add an image and then we're going to create a white outline. So you have to go to design and then you have to look for example a man or anything like this one right here. Okay, for example, we're going to use the image of the person in this. So you have to make sure too that it's not a blurry one. So as you can see, this one right here is kind of blurry, so I have to delete this and then look for other. Okay, so you have to delete this part right here if you think that it's not really, like clear. So let's just say this one. And what you're going to do is to tap the image of the person and move it up. And this is what it looks like. Now you can resize this. Okay. So for example, this one right here. Now let's just focus on the first page. Okay, page one. So this is what it looks like. Now we're going to create a white outline on this image right here. Now click edit image, and then under edit image you can see here picture remover, magic eraser, and other features. But what you're going to do is to simply look for shadows. Shadows is under this effects right here. Okay, tap this one and then go to glow. And then what you're going to do here is you just have to increase the intensity. Okay, you can also adjust the size, increase intensity, and you just have to change the color here from black to white. As easy as that. So once you have found the perfect, intensity and size and blur amount, then you can tap this color and then change this to white. As easy as that. And the result is like this. And that's how simple it is to do white outline on Canva. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.